Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make the pattern for an apron. You'll find the sewing process in a separate video. To make the pattern you're going to need some paper, a ruler, a pencil and an eraser just in case. Start by drawing a rectangle 35 cm long by 19 cm wide. From this point, mark 7 cm inwards. From this point, mark 17 cm downwards. And from this point, mark 2.5 cm downwards. Match these 2 points. From this point, mark 17 cm downwards and 5 cm inwards. Also match these 2 points. This part of the bib round. From this point, mark 11 cm inwards and match these 2 points. The bib should look something like this. For the waist, draw a rectangle 32 cm wide by 4 cm long. For the skirt, make a rectangle 43 cm wide by 64 cm long. From this point, mark 15 cm down, and from this point, mark 16 cm in. For the pocket, draw a rectangle 15.5 cm by 19 cm. For the waist ties, draw a rectangle 7 cm by 60 cm. From this point, mark 2 cm inwards, and from this point, another 2 cm in. You are going to be left with 3 cm to make a pleat. From this point, mark 3 cm upward and mark the center of this line, that is 3.5 cm. This is to make the V shape of the tie. Match these points. For the next strap, draw a rectangle 8 cm wide by 48 cm long. From this point, mark 1.5 cm up, and from this point mark the center of the line, that is 4 cm. From this 4 cm, mark 1.5 cm to either side. You're going to make a round shape for the end of the strap, like so, and then match to these points. This is where the button should be. The bottom pieces should look like this. You're going to have the skirt, which you need to cut by 1 and on the fold, the waist cut by 2 and on the fold, the bib cut by 2 and on the fold, the waist and neckties cut by 4 and the pocket cut by 2. The skirt is going to be gathered. These points should be transferred on the fabric to know where to place the pockets. All of the pieces have 1 cm seam allowance, except when being cut on the fold. The pocket also has 1 cm seam allowance, but on the top leave 2 cm seam allowance to fold twice and make it neater. Don't forget to draw the notches so as to know where to fold when sewing. Thank you very much for watching. See you in part 2. Goodbye.